Hello and welcome to our UK head office. We're here today to celebrate us winning the King's Award for Enterprise. This has been achieved for our international growth over the past 5 years. As part of the celebration, we're going to be using our multi-award winning self-inflating camper to make cocktails for the team. So for the Strawberry Royale, you will need 600 grams of strawberries, strawberry jam, 250 ml of gin, preferably Bombay Sapphire, and prosecco. Also, you will need a muslin cloth and a strainer. And we're ready to go. So to start, we need to hull the strawberries and then cut them in half. These are juicy. Now once you've cut your strawberries, we're now ready to add them to the pot along with some jam. So once you've added all your ingredients to the pot, you'll then need to turn the heat on and then leave it to simmer for 15 to 20 minutes, stirring occasionally. So once you're then happy with the consistency, the gas is off, and then we'll add our gin. So once you've poured your gin in, you will then need to strain the mixture through a muslin cloth. Always pour away from you. Work the mixture to the bottom of the muslin cloth, and then once all the mixture has all drained in there, leave it to chill. And by the magic of television, here's one I made earlier. So now we're ready to serve. So you need a tablespoon of our infused gin mixture, maybe a little bit more. And then we'll top it up with some bubbles. Well, that's annoying. Now we add our bubbles. Tell you what, that pour couldn't have gone any better, by the way. And there you have it, a Strawberry Royale, fit for a king. I've got to stop drinking this. Woo!